Hi, this is Becky Nunn, and I have a crystal bracelet tutorial that I'm going to shoot for you. And this is a new kit that we have at Nunn Designs. It's a very simple, fast project to make a really nice charm bracelet. It comes available, the kit, in a gold, and it comes available in a silver. And this is what the kit looks like when it arrives to you, all of the parts and pieces from Nunn Design. You'll also need to have a little tube of E6000 or some type of glue. And I'm going to use some rubbing alcohol to clean my bezel, and some toothpicks you'll need for the glue, and some needle nose pliers, 2 pairs. So the first step we're going to do is let's go ahead and clear all this out, and we're going to empty out our kit. We have all of these findings from Nunn Design. It's a brass chain that comes available in the kit. This is brass that is plated 0.99 fine silver, and the toggle and clasp are cast pewter, lead-free, and these are plated also with 0.99 fine silver. We have 2 pieces here that we're going to be adding on to the toggle down here. This is a cast piece with lead-free pewter, and we have a bezel. We have a crystal from Purchase, and some brass jump rings that are also plated with silver. So first I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of rubbing alcohol to clean off the oxidization from the bezel. This has the plating on it, and then we oxidize it to give it this old world sort of antique look. And I'm just cleaning the inside of this and along this edge here. You can clean the whole thing if you want to, but I'm mostly interested in this inside edge because this is where the glue is going to have contact with the crystal and the bezel, and we want it to have a nice clean contact there. So I'm just using a little bit of rubbing alcohol to get that residue off, and you can see how much residue was on there. Next, I'm going to have a little bag that I'm going to squeeze a little bit of the glue out onto so that we can adhere it. So just take a little bit of E6000 and just squeeze a small amount out onto a little plastic bag. I like to use the plastic bags because I can easily reuse them. When the glue dries, I can just peel it off and just reuse it. So just get a little toothpick full of the glue and then smear it around on the inside edge of the bezel here. Just kind of move it around so that the crystal has a lot of glue to attach to. A lot, but not too much. Then taking the Purchase crystal, just go ahead and drop that right in there and make sure that that's nice and centered. Then using the clean edge of the toothpick, you can, if you had a bunch of glue, you can clean up that side edge there. Then the next step is just using needle nose pliers to attach these 2 items onto the toggle bar. So holding the jump ring. These are brass jump rings that are plated with the 0.999 fine silver. Using 2 pairs of the needles pliers, hold it at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, and you just pull with one direction with one pair, the opposite way with the other. Then you thread on the organic tag, and then we're going to go ahead and attach that onto the toggle ring of the charm bracelet. Then holding at 3 o'clock and 6 o'clock, we're going to close that back up so it's a nice flush closure on the jump ring. Then for the other one, just pick that. So this is the 6mm textured jump ring by Nunn Design, also brass with 0.99 fine silver plating. And attach it onto the toggle ring. Woo. Hold at 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 9 o'clock, and close that jump ring up. Then we have the finish charm bracelet with the toggle going through the ring like such. There's our finished project. This comes available in the silver as well as the gold. This is Becky Nunn with Nunn Design. I hope you've enjoyed watching how to make this simple charm bracelet.